Hi lovelies, and welcome back. And today I'll be showing you how to make that baby okra soup that everyone loves. People, this is so easy to make, so healthy and so nutritious. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here are everything I will be needing for this recipe. This is the mushroom, the okra, the onions, the crayfish, the fish fillets, and everything here. I also have the shredded mackerel which I've set aside. So here I'll be dicing the mushroom. Remember people, I'm blending everything apart from the mackerel. So I just diced the mushroom and I'll be putting that into the blender, and after that I'll be chopping the onions and I'll also add it into the blender, and after that I'll be doing what? Chopping the okra and I'll also add it to the blender. At the end of the day, I'll be putting in everything into the blender, even the crayfish and the other fish fillets that you're seeing by it. So at the same time, I'll be adding in okpeyi. I added okpeyi to be that native Maggi in this recipe. Yes, I didn't add in salt, but I also added in shrimp powder. All list of ingredients will be left in the description box. So at your convenience, please make judicious use of it. And people, you know okra is very healthy, and I'll be leaving all the benefits in the description box as well. So at your convenience, check it out. So look at me adding in the okpeyi, and also I added in water, little water to blend this, and then I covered the blender, and then I did what? I blended. And at this time I cleared my workstation, then I switched on the light, put my pot on the fire, added in water. When I brought that to a boil, look at the smoothie that I blended that okra to. So when this has come to a boil, I added in my shrimp powder, and then I added in my palm oil, and then after it has cooked up a little, I added in what? The blended mix of okra, mushroom, the crayfish, the shredded fish, the onions, everything into this. So this is what it is. Allow this to cook up. I try to stir together so that it doesn't stick under the pot. So after this process, I added in grounded pepper. People, yes, because I teach my children how to eat pepper from the scratch. This is actually for my 6 months old, and he is going to be eating it. Okay, I've given him pepper once and he enjoyed it, so I decided to put it in this okra so that he will also learn to eat like us. So this is what it is. Remember, when you're making the solid for this baby to eat this, make sure your eba or semo is very soft. So here people, I've just added in the shredded mackerel. Remember to debone, but I use this mackerel from the can which has already been deboned, you understand. So at this point, like this video, share to your friends and families, also leave a resounding comment at the end, and in case you're new, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. You can see this okra is ready and I'm taking it off the fire. So I poured it directly into this bowl, as you can see. Thanks for watching everyone, and remain blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.